Good morning, guys. It's been a while, guys. It's already September 24. Oh, diba? 25. September 25. 9:25 already. 2 weeks has passed. For my birthday. But we're now back on the road. We've seen some new constructions here. El Corso is building a bridge going to City de Mare, and that's New Star, and that building is, that's their third hotel, their third tower is going up so well. Wow, double overtake. So, but it's interesting also because it's a Wednesday morning and we are experiencing fine weather now. Tanawa kita ka, beautiful. Beautiful Cebu City. Yeah, beautiful, but it's gonna be exciting probably soon because it's election season. I mean, filing of certificate of candidacy. So politics, politika, many things we're gonna happen, and we're gonna just be witnesses of this exciting time in our history. And who will be the new set of senators, mayors, congressmen? We'll be electing once again people to important positions, and I don't know if these people will, a lot of people will promise things, pero we'll see. We have many ideas, many groups vying for the positions, and it's just gonna be fun. I mean, even in the city, grabe. Diba, at that time we were thinking about, it's gonna be, the current administration or the current majority will be one team still, but no, not anymore. There's a big possibility that Team Rama will have an opponent in the Team Garcia, the Team Osmeña. There's so many things that could happen in these elections, and wala. We can't stop them really. Kana ilang mga ambitions, and just like this guy, kaning mga grupo na naghimog third lane ba, na actually the bridge that we're going to, there are only 2 lanes, and there are just people who makes a third lane just to complicate matters. So, diba? Diba? If it's binary lang ba, people will always find ways to make it complicated by making up their own lane, and I don't know. But this is also the fault of the design, because you have 4 lanes, and this is gonna be 2 lanes going up and 1 lane for the U-turn. So there's an extra lane. So I guess, I don't know, someday, but I guess even us will think that these roads are, we lack more lanes, especially in this area when there's gonna be a lot of developments. There's there's the arena, there are more condos, there are more, I don't know, more buildings, so there are more cars that's just wouldn't follow the lines. Diba? They even mag-change of lanes. Diba? Naghimo yung ilang lane. I don't know why. Diba? Come on. Why do you make lanes? Why do you create a third lane for yourselves na You already know it's only 2 lanes. You don't want to line up. Diba? Complicate less matter, and the territory is quite generous, so that's good of him. Oh, diba? Man mao lagi, it makes the things, it complicates things. Ma-traffic tag maayo. Kay mao na. Manglusot. Nabisag way kalutsan. Territory. Saan yung territory? They're making up lanes na. Sama ni. And the police are not doing anything. So mana, karambula ang tawag ani. Kapoy gago. They're overtaking left and right. Sama ka ba eh? Punyeta mo. Yeah, sometimes mainit yung sa traffic, but yeah. But kalma lang, of course, you have to give. Pero wala, sometimes mainis magugay if you keep on giving, diba? They keep on making up their own lanes. So, diba? But anyway, yeah, it took us like ilang minutes dito. Because lang tungod ana. I don't know what's the solutions to that problem, diba? Again, people make third lanes. Ilan lang isuwag butang barrier actually, but I don't know, it didn't work, I guess. It just complicates things. But we'll see, I don't know. We're not the geniuses sa ani, pero mana. Same sa election, it's gonna be karambula. That's the team, I guess. We'll have I don't know, we will probably have a mix and match. Even we have this is gonna be a 2025. The change is coming. Probably again the change is, I guess it's like there's a political earthquake on our way, diba? But hopefully this political earthquake is just gonna be for the good of the country, I would say, for the good of the people. Hopefully we'll get better leaders. I don't know, we can't unity doesn't work, because unity, the promise of unity is not, it's not based on, it's not realistic, diba? Kada bang united, people have ambitions, diba? There was a time Cebu was united, diba? Kada bang usara ka partido who was ruling it. I mean, yeah, they're the leaders. Wala silang the DNA nilang may grama nilang we're BOPK, diba? But naguba naman na. So we're now here a time na it's quite fragmented. So, diba? But in a way, it's kind of exciting because there will be a lot of choices. Maura na. And ang analysis na lang ani nato, I mean, who will be the craziest alliance, kind of mga surprising alliance, surprising lineups. So interesting ni, because even the council right now, the majority of the council is now divided. Also there are loyal. Some are loyal to Osmeña, some are loyal to Rama, and some are loyal to the new, the new acting mayor. It's Garcia. So it's gonna be interesting. So kani potential traffic na sa dun sa Manay. What's going on? Na. Pero yeah, malingaw na lang ta. But anyway, yes, it's good to be. It's good to be back on the road na mag-video ta. But wala na. I miss you guys. Diba? That's just the thing right now. Diba? SRP, I mean, the tunnel is hopefully being completed naman. Diba? So welcome to our morning drive and morning traffic. So palagi na 2025 and be an interesting time to vote. And for sure, hopefully I will be able to vote. Diba? Walang mga emergency. We hope that we'll be able to vote. I hope there'll be a peaceful election. Kaya pa rin itong prayer, of course. Peaceful election. Ay, kahit isun sa nang, it's not just about winning. I mean, having a peaceful transition, peaceful election is a big win for the people. Diba? Kaya sa akin naman ng election, kita'y gubot, kita'y kuhan, people question the legitimacy. Diba? So it's an interesting time for us. And hopefully, ang atong yung hope and prayer na we'll have a peaceful election. We'll have candidates running for real platforms, real plans, real things that they promise but they intend to really do it. Diba? Interesting times sa national politics. It's gonna be, I don't know, it's gonna be a referendum for BBM and Sara, in a way. VP Sara, the Dutertes and the Marcoses are now at odds, are now at the separate, they'll have separate lineups. So they have different ambitions. I mean, different goals, different visions, I would say. Diba? So we will see what happens. Diba? Napaghabay cloud si PRRD. Diba? I'm sure naapa. But would it be enough to, let's say, beat the current administration? Diba? Na kuan sad hawak na halos tanan, di ba? Di ba? So interesting times and we'll find out after 8 months. So di ba? Kung unsa na dagan, less than 8 months di ba? So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope na happy mo na nakakitagbalik sa dalan sa Cebu. So it's been a while, so it's good to skip months or weeks so that we can see the changes in our beloved Queen City of the South. Bye.